Hi there! In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your Android phone to repeat Wi-Fi signal. Before we start, let us understand how it works by taking a look at this illustration. A Wi-Fi repeater or extender is used to extend the coverage area of your Wi-Fi network. It works by receiving your existing Wi-Fi signal, amplifying it and then transmitting the boosted signal. With a Wi-Fi repeater you can effectively double the coverage area of your Wi-Fi network, reaching far corners of your home or office, different floors, or even extend coverage to your yard. There are many Wi-Fi repeaters, extenders available in the market. But this tutorial focuses on Android phone as Wi-Fi repeater. Let's get started. Get ready with your Android phone. Go to the Play Store and download the app named NetShare. That one being sketched. As you see, the app is already installed on my phone's Samsung J5. After you install, open the app. Make sure your phone is already connected to the Wi-Fi router. To share your Wi-Fi connection, start Wi-Fi hotspot. A desktop, laptop computers and phone, Android and iPhone, can now connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot. These are the instructions how to connect from Android devices and from other devices such as laptop and iPhone. You may notice unlock full version. Please don't be bothered by it because I don't have any problem while using this free version. Now, in order for others to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot, the app should be already installed on their Android phones. Turn on WPS so that other phones can connect. If you want a video tutorial how to connect from iPhone, just make a request in the comments section. Let us proceed to the next. I will show you how to connect the Wi-Fi hotspot using your laptop. Checking my internet connection. There is no internet. I now see the Wi-Fi hotspot from my phone. I connected already, but still no internet. It's time to set the proxy server. Go to Manual Proxy Setup, turn on Use a Proxy Server and input the address and port number shown on the NetShare app. After that, don't forget to click the Save button. Let's try to reconnect. Here we go, it's now online. If you have questions or requests, please don't hesitate to inform me in the comments section. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.